Amazing value for money. Rooms were fresh, clean and tidy. Staff were outstanding. We'll definitely come back. An excellent place to stay. We thoroughly enjoyed our time here. The location was perfect, practically opposite the Newgrange Visitor Center, and the reception staff were helpful and cheerful. The ensuite rooms had all we needed, and the surroundings were bright and atmospheric with evocative murals and stunning photographs of Neolithic sites. There is a large, comfortable lounge area and a large and bright dining area. The continental buffet breakfast was superb with a wide choice of meat, cheeses, tomato, cucumber, eggs, fruit salad, yogurts, porridge, cereals, and a selection of bread including delicious home-baked porridge bread. We'd love to return to explore this magical area further. Nina and Martin from Wales. Exceptional, great location. Lovely facilities. Good breakfast. Overnight stay. Perfect location for visiting the area in Newgrange. The tourist center is 4 minutes walk away, where you must get tickets. Friendly, clean, comfy bed, easy parking and great breakfast. Great stay. Arrived mid-afternoon. We were greeted well and dealt with efficiently. Hotel is modern with quirky touches. Rooms are functional and clean, although shower could be larger. Breakfast, while it will never win awards, was very good and the homemade breads were a highlight. Overall, despite a faulty bathroom light, a pleasant experience. Thank you to all involved. Brian, excellent. Owners/staff could not have been more friendly and helpful. Room and common areas were very clean. Great location to use as a base. Breakfast on Saturday was great. More than your typical continental. I would recommend for couples, families and groups. Excellent. Great location. Very clean and super open areas both inside and out. Breakfast looked like it would have been great, but didn't start until 8. A little earlier would have been nice. Not the quietest construction, but not horrible. Peaceful, pastoral country setting. The lodge is very nice, clean, and in a quiet countryside setting. Ali was very helpful checking us in and out, and helped us order dinner delivery. A taxi is needed to get to the lodge, but once there it is a short walk to the entrance of Brunaboyne.